Do you have any other famous or infamous family stories?
Well, I suppose one story that really sticks in our family is that my two elder brothers were in a pop band. And my father happened to be their manager, and they became professionals, and they traveled and did gigs in South Africa with people like Adam Faith and Peter and Gordon and Jackie Trent, and you might not know those names, but in the 1960s and 70s, these were big names, and my brothers accompanied them on their tours, and we as young groupies, my sister and I, got to meet real famous stars, and we could go backstage, and we were big deals, and so music has always been very close to our heart. My late mother played piano and violin, and my dad was a technical person. We grew up with music. Music was a very big part of our family, and we had so many musicians around our house. It was always terribly funny because these groupies used to come into our house and listen to band rehearsals, and all of a sudden next morning my mother would find people sleeping all over the house, and once we had somebody sleeping there, and my mom said to some of the band members and others that were there, do you know this person? And anyway, nobody knew that person. They just came into our house and was listening to music, slept over, and left the next day. We always had musical people around us. Let's say they were very flamboyant and spicy, and we had a lot of good times with musicians in our house.